Guys, I'm going to show you how to clean your brand new Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down there, the bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. So, I've gotten so many questions on how hard or easy it is to clean my Ninja Foodi Grill. All right, so I thought I'd make a quick video on it. I've already put out, 7-8 videos on it so far. It's gaining traction. People are starting to get their pre-orders in. They're getting their actual shipments in. So we're going to start seeing some movement on this. So I want to give you just my rundown on how to clean things. Okay, so it's easy. I have no complaints of cleaning this. With my Ninja Foodi pressure cooker air crisp machine, I have a huge complaint with that one, and that's that plastic trivet on the bottom of the basket. It is just impossible to clean. People using toothbrushes, heard someone scrape it with a razor blade, bugs the crap out of me. Okay, but with this Ninja Foodi Grill, easy peasy. You know what? This is your secret weapon right here. The thing came with a grill brush. Even has a little handy dig out tool that slides between the grates. Easy can be. All right. So I'm gonna bring you over to the counter here. I'm going to show you the parts I take out. I just did a cook on it, so it's nice and dirty in there. I'm going to show you how I take everything out, how I clean the actual machine itself, because obviously you're not going to put that in the dishwasher or in the sink, okay? All the parts that I take out that can be cleaned are dishwasher safe. I just happen to like doing the dishes. I know it's weird, but have bad hands. Okay, lots of years of playing football, maybe a fight or two in there growing up. My hands are very bad. All right, so I like the warm water on them and it's kind of relaxing for me. Okay, so don't feel like you cannot put these items in the dishwasher. Obviously, you got the owner's manual. You know what parts go where and all that. So don't shove the machine in the dishwasher. All right, so I'm gonna take out the parts over here. I'm going to show you how I clean the regular unit, and then we'll come over to the sink over here, and we'll go over cleaning the grate and the rest of the stuff that you wash. Okay? Come on back. All right, guys, we just did a cook on this on my Ninja Foodi Grill, but it's had time to cool down. Okay, so we're not going in there just blazing hot. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the pan, and we're going to take out the grill grate, and up here we're going to take out the splash guard here, the splatter guard. It's just a little bit, push up, pull out on the bottom. This thing comes off, and there's your heating element. Okay, so we got our splash guard off. Put that in the sink. We're gonna take our pan and our grill grate out and take it to the sink also. Now what I have here is just a damp towel. Okay, obviously, like I said, we're not putting this whole thing in the dishwasher, but we do want to make sure it stays clean in there. So I'm gonna hit it up with a damp towel. Warm damp towel if it makes a difference to you, and just kind of clean out the inside, just any dust that got in there, any random seasoning, no big deal. All right, do the same on the sides, on the front, and the back right here on the hinge. I'm gonna make sure we get that one again up on the lid. The heating element should not be dirty, but if you see anything on there, so get it off. Like I see a little bit of schmutz right there, so we can get that off. See, there was some dirt and grime in there. That's what happens when you really cook. Take a clean side, just wipe off the outside here. Good as new. All right, let's get on over to the sink and we'll start washing these. Got a little just dish soap in there. Got some pretty warm hot water in there, and we're just gonna clean the splash guard. This thing just automatically becomes discolored. It's just is what it is. It doesn't mean it's dirty, but just with all the heat elements going on in there, You just want to make sure you get it nice and soapy on the inside. Get off any grease that you have in there. It's pretty easily done. Get in the little grooves right there. Just making sure you don't have any kind of residue in there. And being that it has obviously all these little holes in there, if you wanted to stand here and try to rinse it out, you know, that's fine, but I have a little gun here. There you go, clean as a whistle. Next thing we're gonna clean is the grill grate. That's where this bad boy comes in handy. Okay, we're gonna get it wet, get a little soap on it, and I'm just gonna go through each groove. You see over there, you can see that the oil and any little bits on there is coming off, and I just move it around. No big deal. Get up on these little handles. All right, and I'm just making sure I'm getting in between every one of these grooves and this little circle plate right here. All right, you get the back, just using the sponge. Get the handles again, just making sure. Rinse it off. I missed the spot right there. Get in there. All right, so that spot's a little hard to get out, so I'm going to use a little scraper in. Work on it. Do a little more scrape in there, and it's all gone. All right, so just how easy was that to clean? It's ready to cook. It's ready to go again. All right, so I'm gonna put this up here. Dump out my pan. All right, got some soapy water. All right, this thing is dishwasher safe. It's non-stick. I mean, all the stuff I'm washing is dishwasher safe right now. But this will take no time at all to wash. I always get the outside too. Good to go. All right, we're gonna let it wash or drain in the rack. We'll be ready for the next cook. All right, guys, that was it. Easy as can be, right? I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, it is what it is. Cleaning is cleaning, you know. Try to have some fun with it. So, it's easy to do. It's not frustrating at all. I dig it. Just roll with it. All right, guys. If you actually want to get a Ninja Foodi Grill, you don't have yours yet, click the link below. It goes to my Amazon store. You don't pay anything extra for it, but a little bit comes back to the channel, helps us out. Guys, if you want to get some Cooking with CJ merchandise, become part of CJ's crew that way, click the link below, or my Teespring shop. All right. Last thing, if you want to get on Patreon with me, help support the channel, become a true member of CJ's crew, click this link right here to Patreon. Take you over there, show you all the breakdown, all the tiers, all the little extras you can get if you're signed up and donating to the channel. All right, easy as can be. That's it for this one, guys. Hope you have a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cleaning with CJ. Take care.